Mom! My camera made everything pink. I'm gonna test, see how cold it is. It's pretty cold out. Almost touched me. Ah! Oh! Oh! Do not want. Do not absolutely want. I stepped on sand for the first time last night. This says Lake Erie, pink, Lake Erie. Ohio's just pink in general.
But they're claiming things. If you get online and you look it up, they have a restaurant attached.
There's the thing that ruined the Titanic. There's something that the Titanic probably didn't have. And there's something that makes me want to die because Great Gatsby. I just have so many Great Gatsby feels it hurts. On a scale of 1 to 10, how cute is this place?
10. Except for the rude customers.
Why are the customers rude? They talk about my hair, aren't they?
Uh-huh.
I'll just use the power of the internet to get back at them. I will rate the menu quality 10 out of 10.
Really? They don't have anything for you.
I know. Beef, 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 beef. That did not say beef. Oh. I got this Green River shake made with lemon lime, fountain syrup, and 7-Up. They said that, yeah, a root beer flavored shake. Is that like a root beer float? Mm-hmm. I've never had a root beer float before. You know a place is good if they have checkered tablecloths. My green shake came. Green, what was it called? What was it called again?
Green River.
Green River shake. Green River shake, I think. Cheese fries. Onion rings. Shake. More shake. This is a Feaze meal right here. I just realized, look, ice skates. Huh.
That's hilarious. We can go.
Oh. So what are we doing now, Mom?
No, listen here. This is freaky. So I'm hitting my alarm button, right? Mm-hmm. And somebody's alarm's going off.
Oh my gosh.
Try it again.
No, because yours will go off. That's embarrassing.
You're so weird.
The Lee's Landing. And it's closed. What? Be kind to all animals. Yay! They're what? How do you... What? But candies. But look. But candies. It can't be closed. It can't be closed if this is candies.
Oh, look, the candle store's open.
Of course the candle store's open, but not the candy store. Is that right here? I want it. The greatest feeling in the world. Oh my gosh.